Glad to have you join us on this edition of the show. We have repeatedly mentioned on this show that it's possible to learn a new skill online if you have the discipline to do the research and practice what you have learned. Today on the show, we chat with a young guy who is growing a digital agency and he learned most of the skills online. That's on the interview segment. Our tech tips is on taking precaution while shopping online this holiday season. We have quite a lot lined up for you, but first, some tech news and updates. This is Tech Trends, and I'm Chukwemeka Agbata.
An infrastructure as a service solution in the north, Layer 3 Cloud has changed the way businesses think about IT. It allows organizations remotely and virtually build, manage, store and instantly deploy servers and data in a secure data center. All these are done without the financial outlay on hardware, maintenance or replacement, yet it retains the ability to access and administer all services as needed.
When we started, we didn't set out to do anything or to invent something that wasn't there already. However, we set out to do more, with what was existing and make customers, have a much better experience. So we started as a virtual network operator, providing strictly connectivity services, leveraging infrastructure of existing providers, So the startup capital was actually not too high, Most of our energy was plunged into, good customer service, marketing, and we practically bootstrapped, all the way. We had no outside investments.
The developers, however, believe there is a need to invest more in the educational sector of the country to see a boost in the ecosystem.
Sadly, we're getting it wrong here. Yes, there's no problem with investing in startup, but it's not so much about startups. I think what we should be most interested in is startups that will end up becoming great and enduring companies. And it's only students that are well formed, have the experience that can end up building those startups and hopefully moving from startups to becoming enduring companies.
It uses a commodity-focused approach that ensures maximum resource efficiency.